The environment is ours. Making the environment yours, in fact, it makes you more responsible. And as you are responsible to your environment, you take care of it.
Quick question for you.
Okay?
How can you make the world a better place?
Well, I'm a zoologist, so I can make a world a better place by doing conservative work, like rearing animals and make sure that their natural environment is kept clean and their natural environment is free from any harm.
Okay, you think conservation can actually improve the world?
In fact, conservation is number one, especially IPM.
What is the one action that you have done last week to actually make the world a better place?
I do majorly recycling work. I put plastics where they are supposed to be. Then all the rubbish bin. In fact, I don't like the environment to be clean, so I do majorly sanitation work.
Yes, actually, because clean environment could make the world and improve the world to be a better place, right? We are into waste management.
Waste management and recycling.
Okay, that is wonderful. Will you give any advice to people out there on how to improve the world or make the world a better place or to even make the environment clean?
The environment is ours. Making the environment yours, in fact, it makes you more responsible. And as you are responsible to your environment, you take care of it. How can you take care of it? You take care of it by making it cleaner. You make the environment safer for everybody and for your family, in fact, especially the immediate family. Once your immediate family is clean, healthy, then the environment too will take off.
Wow, that is really great. What's your name, please?
I'm Adamu Aisha Idris.
You really have a wonderful advice out there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.